In this video, I will show you how to create a new workbook into Excel and how to use default template into Excel and close the workbook. Let's see. Start. Click on Start menu, then go to Microsoft Excel 2010. I use 2010 version. You may have different version. That's not the matter. So by default, here default template already open. So this is the blank template. That's why no others data is showing. If I want to use any template given by the Microsoft Excel, then you can click on File and choose New. Then you see that here is some template offered by Office.com template and others template show on above. Here I'm giving an example, like I'm choosing Invoices template. Then click here. You may see this option to download from directly microsoftoffice.com. Then you need to click here. I'm choosing this one and click on download button. You are seeing that downloading template is ongoing. Download has completed and it's open with Microsoft Excel. So in this way you can use several templates. Let's check with another template. New business customer profitability analysis. Click here, click on download. So this template has generated by default data. So in this way you can use as per your needs. You can use different kind of templates and fulfill your needs and complete your assignment. Then after this, after changing this data as per your needs, then close the book as usual. Save or save as. If you want to keep this file on separate location, then click save as, and if you want to normally save the file, then you can save. I'm saving this document on documents folder and click on the close button. Thanks for watching the video.